Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a banner for your YouTube channel. So as you can see, this, for example, is a sample banner, and the banner normally is short design at the top that actually describes a bit about what your channel is into. So if you want to go to your channel banner or the place where you can edit and add your banner, this is how you do it. And before that, I want to let you know that in this video, I will show you exactly how to design a simple banner and then how to upload it to your channel. So first of all, come and type your channel name. It comes at the top. So when it comes at the top, you will see customize channel. So you click on customize channel, then it brings you to this place. When it brings you, in fact, at the first, you will be here. So under here, you go to branding. So under branding, you scroll down and go to banner image. It will say upload, and it will tell you for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 times 1152 pixels and 6 megabyte or less. So copy these dimensions they've just given, and then come and open Canva. If you don't have Canva, just go to canva.com and sign up. It is free. You can use it. So you'll come and click on create a design, and then you go to, okay, so it will ask you to choose whether you want YouTube thumbnail or whatever. So normally you may see YouTube banner. Let's try. I will make it banner for YouTube. Good. So YouTube banner, for this one, they are giving these dimensions. This one, they are giving different dimensions. Now we want to go exactly according to what YouTube gave us. So in that case, you come and click on custom size. So the size they gave us was what? Let me just go back. They're saying 2048 times 1152. So we put 2048 here. Put 1152 is pixels. So that is the pixels there. If this is not pixels, you can change it to pixels by clicking on it, the drop down arrow. So and after you click on create design. So it brings you here. So when you come here to design, design, and type YouTube banner. It's supposed to be under design so that you get a template. YouTube banner. And then you look at all these templates. Choose the one that best fits the color you desire. So for example, let's say I want to use this one. So you click on it. You can come and edit it the way you like. Now, the reason why they're doing it this way is that, so for this one, when you do it this way, it's going to fit on all devices. So for example, it will fit on TV. It will fit on you if they are viewing it on YouTube. That is why when you come here, they are showing that on computer, it will show like this. On a mobile phone, it will show like this. On a TV, it will show like this. So this size is just the best that will fit all that. So you can now come and then customize it, click edit, put in the necessary things, whatever you want it to be there. If you want to add your logo and all that, you put it. So at the end of the day, this particular part is a part that will show at the top here. So it will show on computer and desktop. It will also show the full one will also show if it is on a TV. Here I wanted to say it will show on a computer, mobile phone, and then computer. So this is the computer, this is the mobile phone, and this is the TV. So it will show on all of that. So you just make sure you customize it to fit the way you want it. After you are done, you come here and then you click on upload. And then when you upload, you click on publish, and then it is done. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for many other more powerful videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. You can leave your comment in the comment section if you have any problem.